is forgiven, baby. Come on, get dressed. You're my date to the pep rally tonight. You chucked me out like I was trash. For that, you should be dead. Then it hit me like a flash. What if high school went away instead? Those assholes are the key. They're keeping you away from me. They made you blind, messed up your mind, but I can set you free. You left me and I fell apart. I punched the wall and cried. And then I found you, changed my heart, and set loose all that truth bullshit inside. And so I built a tonight our school is Vietnam. Let's guarantee they never see their senior I was meant to be. We were meant to be. Don't give up on me now. Finish what we've begun. I was meant to be. When the high school gym goes, everyone inside. In the rubble of their tomb, we'll plant this note explaining why they We, the students of Westerberg High, will our burned bodies may finally get through to you. Your society turns out no. Signed, the students of Westerberg High. Goodbye. We'll watch the pour out the doors, bring marshmallows, we'll make we can smile and cuddle while the fire roars. I was meant to be. We were meant to be. I can't take it alone. Finish what we've begun. You were meant to be. I am all that you need. You cut open my heart. Can't just leave me to Veronica! Open the door, please, Veronica. Open the door, Veronica. Can we not fight anymore, please? Can we not fight anymore? Veronica, sure you're I've been there. I can set you free. Veronica, don't make me come in there. I'm gonna count you. 1, 2. Oh my God. No. Veronica. Please don't leave me alone. You were all I could do. I can't do this alone.
Veronica, I brought you a Veronica.